another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the Waveformers look just using one product. So I'll be using the Mielle Twisting Souffle, and I absolutely love this line. The pomegranate and honey line, it smells amazing, and the consistency of the product is so thick and creamy. It really holds a good grip on each strand of my curl. So as you see, I'm starting on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I also shampooed and conditioned using the same pomegranate and honey line from Mielle. The assembly for the waveformers is pretty easy to put together. It comes with a blue stick and it is broken up in 3 pieces, and you just connect the 3 pieces and you attach the waveformers onto the stick. I purchased 2 packs of these waveformers off of Amazon, and each pack came with one of the blue sticks. So a shortcut to the style, since I did buy 2, I assembled both sticks, and before I was putting on the product and combing through my hair, I assembled the waveformer onto the stick just so I can have a smoother transition and I wouldn't have to break that much in order to put together the pieces. To give you guys a closer view of what I'm doing, I took a piece of hair, not too thick, just because I didn't want to overcrowd the waveformer. So I took a good amount of hair, and the same amount of hair that I would put into a flexi rod set or a perm rod set is the same amount of hair I would do for the waveformers. So as you see, I am moisturizing that strip of hair, making sure it's nice and juicy with the product. So once I feel that the hair has enough product on it, I slightly twist the roots so the hook could attach to the roots easily, because if not, then you could get tangled roots onto this hook and it is painful to take it off. So like I said, carefully twist your hair and then attach the hook and slowly pull down the hook and the hair will go right through the waveformers. So it's the next day. I've had these in for about 16 hours and they're completely dry, of course. And I must say they dry pretty quickly, but the reason I had them in for so long is because I wanted to be sure I get a good hold. And they weren't difficult to sleep in, believe it or not. It's easier to sleep in rather than the perm rods or flexi rods. So let's get into it. Now, to take out the waveformers, it is really simple and easy. You just slide them right off. It's that simple. I never had any curl tool that came out as easy as the waveformers. I just really pulled it off my hair. There's no tugging, there's no pulling, there's no unraveling. Just simply slide them off. It's time to begin separating. And what I found to realize with the waveformers, I don't need to separate them that much, especially because I feel that the more you separate it, the more frizz you get. So I slightly separated them. Nothing too crazy and nothing too less. Just a slight separate. So this is what it looks like when everything is separated, when the waveformers are removed. But I wasn't too happy with the middle part, so of course I had to change it around. I did a side part and then I took my wide tooth comb and I teased it just a little bit, just to give it a little more body. The waveformers don't give that much body as another style would, but it definitely stretches your hair while giving you a curl. So once I have it separated to my liking and once I have enough body, I then go in for my baby hairs. I cannot have a style without my baby hairs being laid. To do baby hairs is pretty simple. I have my own methods to doing it, but I think I'm going to do another video on that. So stay tuned for a tutorial with the baby hairs coming soon. Once the baby hairs are laid, then the style is complete. So these are my final results, and I absolutely love how my hair came out. The Waveformers gave my hair such an elongated curl and a nice stretch, and it's not what I'm used to. You know, I'm used to the shrinkage with my hair from wash and goes, from flexi rods, from braid outs, twist outs. So I absolutely love that this style gives your hair a nice stretch. And there was a little frizz, you know, going on, but it's okay. Frizz is a part of the natural community. And you know, as long as you have some nice laid baby hair, a nice little part going, your style and your hair will still look phenomenal. So I do highly recommend Waveformers, and I absolutely love my results. Now be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.